Mangka. Yan yung langka. Yan guys. Tamis-tamis niya. Sarap. Sarap kainin. Malutong-lutong na matamis. Ito lunggan. Bagong itas din yata yan kasi masarap na bago. May saging pa. Kasag namit na kay bagmutin tapos mataba siya, dami siyang aligi sa loob. Pamahaw namon kaina kag talaba. Ayan ang talaba, nahalin sa rojas, bag-o. Hindi siya masyadong mataba pero okay na. So guys, talaba po yan. Nabili ko sa Riwa kaninang maga. Sarap yan.
Why did you come back? It would appear you have another son. His name is Magnus. His mother is Queen Quenthriff and lives in King Edward's villa in Wessex. Who told you that? A warrior who was fighting in Wessex. And he was the one who told you about the settlement. I came back. I came back because I wanted to see what just become of my sons. And don't go into England. And I thought that you all might want to join me. What do you say, Bitte? Uber? Sing? I can see in your eyes that your answer is also no. Yeah. This is why. This is part of a map of the Roman Empire. I found this in Paris. In this map,